Got us some fresh green beans going here with some salt and some homemade bacon from Georgia. Some fresh made potato salad with onions, bread and butter, pickles, mayo, eggs. Got our chicken breast going on the grill here. Now I'm going to give you guys a hint. The one mistake everybody makes is they'll take their chicken breast and cook it all the way just about done. Then they'll put their barbecue sauce on it. You end up with overcooked because you're trying to get that daggone barbecue sauce caramelized. Put it on there as soon as you put it on the grill. Then when you turn it, cover it again. Cover it as the chicken cooks. That way it gets caramelized. That's going to be good. And there we have it. Grilled barbecue chicken breast, fresh green beans, and some homemade potato salad.